Hey everyone, welcome back everyone to another video here on Justin Garden 48. So today we are going to do the 1 minute quarter challenge. Again, if you're new, make sure you do hit the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, switch to the bell, click all to be notified when we upload a video. So we're going to do West Virginia faces Virginia. And this is going to be hard right here because, one, we're only going to have 1 minute. And it's going to be, the challenge part is, because we're going to play in heavy snow, very windy, 8 o'clock, and the temp is going to be minus 20 degrees. So, we're only going to have 1 minute on West Virginia's field. So again, if you're new, make sure you do hit the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, switch to the bell, click all to be notified when we upload a video. So I hope you all have a great rest of your Wednesday, and whatever I do, let's get going.
Reputation for being one of the rowdiest places in college football.
Okay, so they're going to receive it.
Both teams are lining up for the kickoff. We're just about set to get this one underway. He sends this one deep. He's to the 20. And he's taken down at the 21-yard line. The quarterback leads the team out on the field for the first drive. Tackled after a decent run up the gut. Tackle made to the 33-yard line. Complete for 6 yards, and that's good for a first down.
Heads up play by the quarterback to find his receiver in traffic and get the ball into his hands.
Brought down after a nice run up the middle. To 1. Still no score. Welcome back. Tight game here in the second quarter as we begin play. They'll bring him down around the 39-yard line. Now he's scrambling. He's at midfield, and now the ball is loose. And he's tackled at the 49. That's a pretty big mistake, and this offense will lose possession of the football.
Sloppy job by the ball carrier. First and foremost, you should always be concerned about the ball.
We'll take it.
They've been like a couple of fighters feeling each other out so far. Let's see if they start to open it up a little bit more now. He's on the run. And they got him.
Boy, this pass rush is sometimes scary. They're really getting after the quarterback now.
The Mountaineers taking their first time out of the half. Scrambling around. Tries to fit it in there, and it'll be intercepted. And he's taken down at the 47.
This quarterback better start making better decisions in the passing game. Otherwise, this corner will come up with even more picks in the future.
Whoa. No. Not what we...
And they got him. Virginia just took their first time out.
We'll take it.
He's going to try and scramble. They bring him down. Virginia's going to have to use their second time out of the half. He lets it fly. And that'll situation.
Defense held their ground on that play. The quarterback just wasn't able to find any open receivers.
They've got 10 guys up. It looks like they're going to try to block this one. Oh, excellent punt. He makes it out to maybe the 29-yard line. Offense will take the field, and they're certainly hoping to do better than they did on their last drive, which ended with a turnover.
So much in football is about how you respond to adversity. Moving forward after a turnover is a perfect example of that.
Great throw, and they push him out at the 41.
It's a great job here by the quarterback of recognizing the outside linebacker blitz and delivering the football for a first down.
Now he tries to buy some time. He chucks it downfield. Picked off. It's the quarterback.
This is challenging here.
We've played a half. This one's scoreless. The half's as good as the first. Just about set to start the third quarter in a tight one. Looking for the corner. He's taken down at the 28. When you start to approach each drive thinking that if you take the lead, then the momentum you gain feels that much more powerful. He scrambled. Receivers got the first down. Angle at the 47-yard line.
A quarterback's best friend is a receiver he can count on to catch the ball every time he drops back to pass.
He's scrambling. Gets rid of it quickly, and that was almost picked. They tried to fool him by running the same play again.
Well, fooled no one there, Brad.
That makes it 2nd and 10. For their own 47-yard line. Second down. Now he's scrambling. Pass right, running back's got it. Third down, and they need to get it inside the 43. He's on the run. And he's knocked down immediately after the catch. So at the end of 3, no score here.
This just gets challenging and challenging here.
Win the fourth quarter. Whoever does will win the ball game. Under a minute left in the game. Scrambling around. And he throws it away.
Good job here by the defense. If you let this quarterback set and throw, he'll kill you all game. But they got excellent pressure on that play.
Second down, 10 to go. Ball on the 36. Up the middle. He's brought down in the open field. He's tackled around the 18-yard line. That makes it 2nd and 2. The 10. And down he goes around the 3-yard line. So nothing fancy about this offense. They just run the same play over and over.
Get ready. Number 4 might be coming up right here.
This is the 9th play of this drive.
I'm going to take some time
Watch
off
out
this
for a
clock.
pass play when you're in a goal line deep.
I'm going to take some time off this clock.
He's taken down around the 6-yard line.
The defense was playing run all the way right there, and it paid off for them.
That brings up 2nd and goal. West Virginia is going to take their first time out of the half. This is the 10th play of this drive. They'll try to ice it with a timeout here. And this field goal is for the game. A miss will mean overtime.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
And that's the end of the fourth quarter, and we're going to take this deadlock into overtime.
We're going on defense. Wow, this is great.
Ready now for overtime.
Man, not to expecting this video to go overtime.
Fires in a hurry. Interception.
Well, that didn't take long.
From the 25-yard line. First down. Nice run to the left there. Nice run up the middle.
I think you got to give credit to the big boys up front there. They're able to get this back to room that he needed.
First down, 10 to go. Ball on the 13.
We just need a touchdown on the board.
Brought down around the 5-yard line. And they make the stop at about the 3-yard line. They're crowding that line of scrimmage. They go with the run, and he's going to be stopped short.
That's a loss of 3 yards on the play. That brings up 4th and 3.
We missed one earlier.
It's up, and it sails through the uprights.
That's it.
This one's in the books, and our final score, West Virginia 3, Virginia nothing.
That one was a close game there.
For EA Sports and Kirk Street, this is Brad Nessler saying thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
That was a close game. 3-0. That was close. A close game there. Virginia faces West Virginia. And we had an overtime game in this. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, if you're new, make sure you do hit the red subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications, which is the bell. Click all to be notified when we upload a video. So once again, I hope you all have a great rest of your Wednesday. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you all on Friday with a new video. Take care, everybody.